How to add subtitles in CapCut. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add the subtitles in CapCut, first and foremost, launch a CapCut application in your device. From here, select on a project in which you wish to add your subtitles. First and foremost, make sure that the CapCut can actually recognize a voiceover or the audio file that is attached within the video. After that, what you can do is right at the bottom of the toolbar, navigate to the option of captions and click on it. You can select over languages as well. You can set it to auto or your preferred language. Also, you can select from which you want to generate the captions from. You can select all, video and voice over. For the sake of this video, I'll be selecting the option of video right here. Then tap on the generate option. As you can see, CapCut automatically starts generating the CapCut captions. After this, right at the bottom, you can see that the captions has been displayed. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.